My camera, phone, whatever, shut down on me. I apologize. Oh, and there's my friend. Hello, Mr. Crow. Come inside. And look inside. He's looks slept in. See what I mean? Like it looks all pressed. I wish I knew. Love to know your thoughts, my friend. It's beautifully made. These two, they're pulled up really close too. They went all the way up. All the way. It's beautiful. Let's look from this side. Come outside. And you see that one? See the lead in? I could be wrong. Again, third one. All right, my friends, thank you for being with me. This is a beauty. I'm gonna have to stand here for a few minutes and look at this one. Thanks for being with me. I appreciate you more than you'll ever know. Many blessings.